Hey guys, I realize that not everyone has the time to bleach their knots, and some people just don't know how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a natural parting space without using bleach. Please excuse my voice. I am sick, but I am still trying to get all of my videos out. So what I like to do now is take the combs off of the wigs. They just irritate me now. They get in the way. They get in the way of parting. So I'm just going to take that off. It's totally optional. You can keep it on if you would like. Now, some of you may be wondering, what's the point of bleaching the knots? What is bleaching the knots? And basically what it is you're concealing those little black dots that's in your wig that gives you a very unnatural look. So because we're not going to use bleach in this video, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Duo Powder. I forgot what color I'm in, but it will be below in the description bar. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lace, and this is going to help conceal those black little dots. Now, if you're not going to wear your hair up, or you're not going to wear like a bun or baby hairs, you could skip this step, but you still would need to apply some sort of foundation or powder to your part once you're done styling the hair. So this step is totally optional. It just depends on what look you're going for, but I always suggest to bleach your knots or do this method, which is applying the powder. This wig is from WIGENCOUNTERS. It's a 14-inch. It says the hair density in the front is 130, so the hairline is 130%, and then it says the back of the hair is 150%. Honestly, I didn't really notice a difference whether the front or the back was fuller or not, so I don't know about that part. But there is baby hair all around the perimeter of the hair. This hairline is naturally plucked, but I do feel like it needs a little bit more plucking because the hairline is a little bit on the thick side. So definitely, if you get this wig, pluck it just a little bit. Okay, so let's get into the parting space. So as you can see, the parting on this wig looks really, really good considering the fact I did not bleach this unit. So this is definitely an alternative if you don't want to go through the hassle of bleaching your wig. This is a full lace wig, so you can pretty much part it anywhere. You can wear it in braids if you would like. You can wear it in two side ponytails. So yeah, you definitely can get a lot of different looks with this wig considering that it has lace all the way around. So this is pretty much the part on the wig. I did not pluck the part. I have not added any liquid foundation to the part yet. So far so good. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, I'll have all purchasing information below. So when it comes to taming the flyaways and smoothing out the hair, I prefer to use a wax stick now. I used to use like holding spray and water, but I did not like how it was leaving my hair. It kind of would leave my hair kind of dry or hard looking in the front. So I really do like the whole wax stick look. I picked mine up from my local beauty supply store. So I'm just going to finish off this look by adding some big curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All purchasing information will be below.